guys, my name is Liana and I'm here with the Challenger Learning Center to share some at-home science videos that you can do. This one in particular is going to be for our weekend science videos that we will be sharing with you guys every Friday at 11 o'clock. So be sure to tune into those and let's dive right into this one. Now today we are going to be doing the red cabbage pH indicator experiment. And what this experiment does is we are utilizing red cabbage juice in order to determine if a substance is acidic or if it's basic. Now our red cabbage juice here is itself neutral, and the pH scale goes from 0 to 14, with neutral lying at 7 in the middle. So something that is acidic is going to have a lower pH. It'll have a pH from 1 to 6, while something that is basic is going to have a higher pH. It's going to have something from like 8 to 14 will be that pH. Water itself, so water that we drink, is at a pH of 7. It is neutral, just like this cabbage here. Now, when I add other materials to this cabbage juice, I expect to see the cabbage juice change color based on what pH level that substance is. Red cabbage is great for this experiment because it has a molecule called anthocyanin, which actually allows the red cabbage juice to change color based on whether the solution it's in is acidic or basic. Now, in order to make this cabbage juice, it's very simple. All I did was I took 4 cups of water in a blender, and I took 3 large leaves of red cabbage, and I blended those up until it made a juice. Then I used coffee filters to strain out all of the red cabbage bits so that I would be just left behind with this lovely purple juice here. So first I'm going to use white vinegar, and what I'm going to do is I am just going to pour a little bit here into our first glass of red cabbage juice. And as you can see, this is changing colors. So this now is a pinkish red, and what red cabbage juice does is when it meets an acid like vinegar, it turns to a reddish color. Now next, we are going to look at what it does when it comes across a base. So I'm going to take a little bit of baking soda here, and I am going to drop it into this glass, and we're going to mix it up and see how that changes. And now it's kind of hard to tell in the video, so I'll just bring it a little bit closer. But that turned a little bit of a lighter blue versus this one, which is very much purple. If you can see that difference, I'll hold them up again against like the white so you guys can see. Now, with a base, our red cabbage solution is going to turn a greenish blue. So the more basic that your substance is, the lighter this is going to turn, the greener this is going to turn. And really quick, I just wanted to give you guys a close-up video of those colors so that you could see. Here we have our vinegar and red cabbage juice. This is our acidic solution that turned red when we added the vinegar in. Here is just our red cabbage juice alone. It is our neutral solution. And here is our basic solution with baking soda and red cabbage. And that clearly turned a lighter blue color. Now you guys don't necessarily have to test vinegar or baking soda. You can test whatever it is that you have around your home. Things that you can test are cleaning products. You could try ammonia, you could try laundry detergent, you could try orange juice, lemon juice, things like that. You could really try whatever liquid you have in your home to be able to see if that is a base or an acid. And an extension that you guys can do with this, I have 2 different extensions that you guys can do. You can choose to freeze your red cabbage juice. If you choose to freeze your red cabbage juice, then you'll just take your ice cubes and you can drop those directly into your glasses. You can also make your own pH strips out of cabbage juice. And the way you would do this is you would soak a coffee filter in your red cabbage juice, and once it's done soaking, you let it hang up to dry. Once it's hung up and dried, you can then cut that paper into strips, and just like you would with regular pH strips, you can dip them into your solution and they'll change colors, red if they're acidic or green if it is basic. And say bye, I brought in my little helper here. So bye guys, I hope you guys are staying safe. We can't wait to share more stuff with you guys at the Challenger Learning Center, and we hope to see you guys real soon. Bye now.